In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to write a simple Java program that will collect positive and negative whole number. To write this program, the first thing we are going to do is import the scanner class. Now, the scanner class is the class that will help us collect this positive and negative whole number from a user. So to import the scanner class, you will come here in between the package mword.academy and the public class. You will now write import space java.util.scanner. Sorry. Make sure your S is beginning with a capital letter. Scanner, then semicolon. You can decide to write scanner and then you can decide to put asterisk instead of scanner. You can put asterisk like this and the class will still be successfully imported. But in this tutorial I'm going to use scanner, making sure that the S is beginning with a capital letter. After importing the class scanner, the next thing we're going to do is create an object of the class scanner. To create an object of the class scanner, you write the name of the class scanner space, give a name to the object. You can decide to give any name to the object. I'm going to give mine Mena. So when you give a name to the object, you space, put an assignment operator. When you put an assignment operator, the next thing you're going to do is write the keyword new. You space and then write scanner again. When you write scanner, make sure the first S is beginning with a capital letter, then an open bracket and close. Then you put in system. Make sure your S again is beginning with a capital letter. System dot out. System dot in. Then you terminate your line of instruction with a semicolon. By doing this, you have successfully created an object of the class scanner. The next thing we're going to do is create the variable that will store the positive or negative whole number that our program will collect from a user. The variable that is used to store positive or negative whole number is the int variable. Int, so you write int, give a name to the variable, maybe num. When you give num to it, you space, put your assignment operator. When you put your assignment operator, you space, and then you write the name of the object. Now this line of instruction is the line of instruction that is used to define the object of the class called Mena. So Mena is the object of the class. So by the time we create a variable that will store the values that our program will collect from our user, the next thing we're going to do is write the name of the object. The name of the object is Mena. After writing the name of the object, then you put a dot. When you put a dot, then you write this line of instruction. This is the line of instruction that will help us collect the positive or negative whole number from our user. So next, when you put next, then int. Make sure your I is starting with a capital letter, int. Then an open close bracket, and then a semicolon to terminate the line of instruction. So by writing this line of instruction, you have successfully created the platform for users to put in values. The next thing we're going to do is to print the value of the positive or negative whole number we're going to collect from our user. and the line of instruction is our output statement, which is system dot out dot print line, open and close parenthesis or brackets, then the name of the variable that is storing the value we're going to collect, which is num. After that, then you terminate your line of instruction with a semicolon. So let's run our program and see. Beautiful. So our program has successfully been run and it is showing the output screen. Now our first line of instruction says that the program will collect a user input, and then the second line of instruction says the user input will be printed. So let's put the user input. Now the data type that we use is an int data type. That is telling us that the only input we can put in is a negative or positive whole number. So when we put 8, the next line of instruction says print the value in the variable. So we are putting 8 in the variable now, and then the next line of instruction will print the value in the variable. Good. It's displaying 8 because the next line of instruction is printing the value in the variable. So for the first line of instruction, we say put a value inside the variable, and we did that. We've put 8, and then the next is printing it out. Good. I said let's run it again. I said that the variable can collect positive and negative whole number. So if we put a negative whole number into this program, it will still store it. Let's say -6, and then enter. You see it's still displaying -6. So an int data type can store both positive and negative whole number. I'm going to stop here in this tutorial video. In our next tutorial video, I'll be talking about how to collect a double data type. A double data type. How to collect values of the double data type. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos. Thank you very much.